We're now at Walt Disney Studios and there's more palm trees. I don't understand the palm trees. Is that a thing? It's cold here. Hollywood. I've been there. I live close by. More palm trees. I don't think these ones are real, but they kind of look like they are. Crossroads of the world? Kind of? Look at that view of the Hollywood sign on a painting. Very beautiful. It's Cars Land. Check out how it compares to California. Look at this. Route 66. Look at the theming. It's just that. That's crazy how small it is. Look at this. There's a little bit more cars, but it's very small comparatively speaking to California. Towmater, Towing and Salvage, the Leaning Tower of Tires. I don't know what the actual name for that is, but it's there. And that's the end. That's it.
It's a secret mission. Charted backyard. No directive.
Mais à vrai dire, je n'ai que de bons profils.
Now we're in the Epcot Pavilion for France. The France Pavilion at Epcot. Check it out. Ratatouille. And look, they have all these booths with amazing food. I'll show you. They have raclette. It's the same as at Disneyland. I think I showed this to you already. Look at this. Cured meats and the potatoes. That looks really, really good. And there's more. Look at this. And the waffles. I need to try one of those waffles at some point. It looks so good. It's literally the France Pavilion at Epcot. Look at this. This is so cool. And Ratatouille, Remy's Adventures, is right here. And there's a crepe stand right here. Look at this. Ratatouille. This is apparently a really good restaurant also right here. It's very expensive, but it is a Ratatouille themed restaurant. Cars Road Trip. So the Cars Road Trip is basically the studio tour that used to exist at Hollywood Studios, but it's Cars themed. And I think it opened here not Cars themed, and it just was re-themed recently. They have Catastrophe Canyon. It lives on. This park, it's like a museum of things that are gone from Disney World and Disneyland. California's Tower of Terror is here. Catastrophe Canyon. The water tower. It's all here. It's so insane. 5-minute wait. Look at this. This is so cool. I only ever got to do the studio tour one time ever at Hollywood Studios as like a young child. So this is going to be bizarre to do this here. The Hollywood Studios studio tour. It's real. It still exists.
Welcome aboard. Your tour guides will be with you in just a moment.
Bonjour et bienvenue à bord de Cars Road Trip. Pour votre sécurité, merci de bien rester assis durant tout le voyage. Merci. Hello and welcome aboard Cars Road Trip. For your safety, please remain seated or the tour. Thank you.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside at all times. And watch your children.
Je vous souhaite un excellent voyage.
Catch out.
Everybody say catch out.
Catch out.
Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Sally et je serai votre guide pour vous faire découvrir la route 66 en compagnie de mon amie Rose Ramirez. Thanks Sally, I'm so excited to check out Route 66 with you.
So here at Disneyland Paris, half of the characters speak French and the other half speak English, and what they do is they say something in French and then the English person then says, oh yes, I'm so excited to do, and then they like repeat what they said, rephrase it so that you can have context for what they're saying. It's a very smart way to do it, honestly.
Les amis, il n'y a qu'un mot pour décrire cet écran. Ka-chow!
Ka-chow! See, I've been on Route 66 before. I can tell you what, it's a lot more like a desert than this is.
Le garage, pardon. Oh, the ghost garage, I'd be dying to get out.
Catastrophe Canyon. Oh my god. Look at this. I vividly remember this as a child at Hollywood Studios. Look at this. This is so cool.
Remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside the tram.
Oh, we're moving. We're moving right now. Whoa, look at that. That's nice and warm on this cold day. Crazy! Oh my god! Oh, it smells like Disney water. Oh, even in France. I can't believe it. I wrote something that has not been around for years because it still exists in France. There's Towmater. Look, he made his own Eiffel Tower. That is crazy. Just as beautiful as the real thing. Absolutely. I'm at the Eiffel Tower. Look at that. That's so cool. This is the most insane looking ride. know if I'm gonna be allowed to have this out on the ride. We'll find out. I've been on a ride like this, but it was much faster than this. I like the county fair, you know? This is so weird. There's a Tower of Terror right there. That was something. Here you leave today and enter the worlds of history, discovery, and ageless fantasy. Disneyland Paris at dusk. You can barely see it, but there's a rainbow right above Disneyland Paris, and the parade is about to happen.
Buzz l'éclair, Star Command. Nous avons trouvé la magie.